Before coming to YIF, I studied English literature. I did my undergraduation from Lady Shri Ram College and I did my masters at Faculty of Arts. I think I really enjoyed those 5 years enjoyed and learnt a lot in those 5 years. One of my favorite subjects and one of the favorite aspects of studying literature was literary theory. It gave me a very strong grounding and theoretical understanding of structured thought and completely new ways of thinking. I was exposed to a completely new world of ideas. However, after 5 years of complete theoretical immersion, I was sure that I don't want to continue with only theoretical academics. So YIF seemed like a perfect place because it promised an exposure to such a diverse range of disciplines. And it truly did so. When I came to YIF, I studied subjects like Introduction to Sociology and then Sociology of the Environment and Social Anthropology, Cultural Anthropology. It was something that was not just immensely interesting but also gave me a lot of clarity in terms of my own personal research interests, and I had already developed certain research interests and inclinations during my undergraduate and postgraduate study. So being exposed to these diverse disciplines, I think, helped me gain so much clarity and gave a lot of structure to my thoughts and helped me envision academic interest and research areas which I could possibly not have thought of earlier. I was confined only to literature, and I was only thinking in terms of literary analysis and literary research. But it was at YIF that I could envision a sociological integration of a sociological way of thinking, an anthropological way of thinking into my research areas. And especially social anthropology has given me immense clarity in terms of what I want to pursue further. And I think I have a very fair understanding and a very clear idea of my future research interests, and I owe a lot to the exposure to these disciplines, and they have not only consolidated my research interests but also given me new ways of thinking, new sort of that balance between theory and practice, which I think I lacked when I was studying only literature, and that was something that I always longed for. I wanted to not just be limited to a very academically rigorous research, but also have an element of practical hands-on experience. And disciplines like sociology and social anthropology was something that helped me envision that balance. I could see how I can integrate practical experience and fieldwork in my theoretical research. So I think it is this balance that YIF and this clarity and this structure that I owe to YIF and my exposure to these disciplines, and I can now imagine a future research, academic research, and I know what I want to do.